Sabyasachi, a very good morning to you. You are there on the ground. You've been assessing the situation of what Bihar has to say with Rahul Gandhi's H-bomb being dropped yesterday. All eyes are going to be on phase one of the polling as far as the state of Bihar is concerned. Please tell us what kind of security has been assured by Election Commission? What kind of security are you witnessing at the booths so that there is a peaceful and also safe environment for the people to cast their votes?
Well, definitely, Sakshi. See, a lot have changed from the last poll that had taken place in 2020. Now, currently, we had seen Bihar the MY factor, which is the Muslim and Yadav factor, which has been associated with Lalu Prasad Yadav. But this time around, it's a new MY factor, which is the Mahila and Yuva. Now, this is the factor which all the political parties and alliance, whether it is the NDA, whether it is the India Bloc, or whether it is Prashant Kishore, all of them are targeting this Mahila and Yuva factor. Now, the youth of Bihar, whether it is leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi or Tejaswi Yadav or it is NDA, all of them have announced a series of measures for the youth of Yuva. We had seen that Tejaswi Yadav promising that every single youth of Bihar will get a government job. On the other hand, the NDA has announced that they are going to provide 1 crore job for the youth of Bihar. Now, the youth between the age gap of 18 to 29 is around 18% and below 40 years is around 50%. Now, this particular section is being targeted by Prashant Kishore as well as by Mr. Tejaswi Yadav. Now, coming back to the Mahila factor, which is a very important factor in the state of Bihar because it's a silent factor which can turn around the game for any particular alliance. Now, in this case, Nitish Kumar in tenure has targeted this Mahila section. In fact, Nitish Kumar with the Jivika Didi measure have been given 10,000 rupees to the Mahila of the Bihar. In fact, this particular section, because we had seen that recently Tejaswi Yadav also announced that every single Mahila from the state of Bihar will be getting around 10,000, around 30,000 rupees in their bank account in the start of the year. So whether it is Nitish Kumar or Tejaswi Yadav understand the importance of Mahila factor in the Bihar polls. Now, this time the battle is extremely important because I have been on the ground, but compared to the 2020, the sharp anti-incumbency is not visible. See, there are people who want a change, but the sharp anti-incumbency is somewhere missing because the women in Bihar have got benefits from the Jivika Didi benefit which had been announced by Nitish Kumar, and over his tenure he has been giving benefits to the women of Bihar. Now, as far as the security arrangement is concerned, now several layers of security arrangements are in place. See, 121 constituencies are going for polls in the first phase, and under these circumstances around 1,500 CAPF company has been deployed in different areas where the poll is happening, and with that around 4.5 lakh police personals have been deployed, with the STF has been deployed to maintain the law and order situation on ground. Now, the appeal has come right from Prime Minister Narendra Modi, from Tejaswi Yadav, from Prashant Kishore and all the political parties who are contesting the Bihar polls. But it's going to be a very interesting battle this time, because with Bihar you can always talk about the caste system as well, because Tejaswi Yadav on one hand had tried to side away with the caste system with the India Bloc announcing that the deputy CM of the India Bloc is going to be Mukesh Sahni. So under these circumstances there are various factors that are coming into play, but in Bihar you can't ignore the local factors as well, because in certain areas the local factors, the local candidates who are contesting will be extremely crucial, because in 121 seats that are going under polls in the first phase, now the India Bloc has declared around 126 candidates, because in this first phase around in 5 seats they are a friendly contest as far as the India bloc is concerned, but the battle is extremely intensified between all the political parties. But whether Prashant Kishore will cut the vote percentage of the NDA or will cut the vote percentage of the Mahagathbandhan is yet to be seen. But the people on ground are excited, and shortly will see footfall coming in as it's been 7 a.m. and people have already started coming in different booths to cast their vote. And in this particular booth, Tejasvi Yadav, Lalu Prasad Yadav, Ravri Devri and the entire Yadav family will be coming at around 9:30 to cast their votes.